Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if Telegram is just not loading pictures. So when you're trying to load pictures on Telegram, or when you're just trying to scroll through your Telegram, maybe some groups, and all of the pictures that are being sent are just not loading, then here are 3 easy ways to fix this, because I literally had this issue a few minutes ago and it took me like 30 minutes in order to fix this. And I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this in literally 1 minute. It's really easy. So actually 3 things helped for me. The first thing what you want to do is open the Telegram app just like I have. And then you want to go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on those settings app right here. Once you have done that, you can literally just scroll a little bit down right here till you find data and storage right here. And then what you simply want to do is you want to click on storage usage and make sure to just clear your entire cache. We can literally see I have 259 MBs in cache, and I literally cleared my cache in half an hour ago. So cache is building up really quickly over on Telegram, so make sure to clear your cache, and this should definitely fix a part of the issue because your Telegram might just be lagging a lot. So that's how you can fix the first one. Now if you have already tried that and it's still not working, then the second thing that actually worked for me was just restarting my phone. All you need to do is restart your phone, leave it off for like a minute and then just restart it again, and then you can just open Telegram again, and maybe that will help for you as well, because I did that and after that it completely worked again. Now if you've already tried that, then the last thing I would recommend doing is just heading over into settings just like this, scrolling a little bit down till you find general and iPhone storage. And by the way, this can also be done on Android. If you're using an Android, you just simply need to go to the main page on settings, scroll all the way down till you find Telegram. Unfortunately, we have to do it a little bit different over on iPhone. We just click on Telegram right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to just load off the entire app. We can literally see right now that the normal Telegram app size is 125 MBs. However, my documents and data are 25 gigabytes. And by offloading an app, you will basically just remove all of that. You will hard reset your Telegram app, and it will just fix a lot of issues you are having with the Telegram app. So I will definitely recommend trying that. And yeah, that are the 3 easiest ways in order to fix that. So if these 3 fixes fix it for you, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.